Hey guys, it's Sarah from dinnersmadesimple.com, and I've got something new and exciting for you today. It's Instant Brands' new Precision Dutch Oven. Pretty excited about this one. As a camper, I love using my Dutch oven, and now I can use it all year long. So I'm excited about this. The pot on this is enamel, and this package is extremely heavy. Now I'm excited to get into this, so let's get started. Alright, so it's Instant Brands' Precision Dutch Oven. So let's open this box and find out what all it comes with and check it out. It is a 6-quart. So let's see. I can tell you this package is extremely heavy, and I'm guessing that's because the Dutch oven itself is cast iron. So let's see what we've got in the box. Okay. So the package says Discover Amazing. Let's see what's in there. Inside this packet we have Discover Amazing, join the community of the Instant Brands. Little advertisement for the air purifier. Be safe, safety, maintenance, and warranty information. Get started, the Instant Precision Dutch Oven, and some instant recipes. Glad they're including the books. You notice in some of the other Instant Brands products you'll find out that they don't very often include books anymore. So this is great. Ooh, dinner rolls. That'll be fun to make in this. Okay, so let's see what else we've got. Alright, so we have our cast iron lid. Ooh, I love the red. And I'm loving the new packaging. It's very modern, very bold. Love the update. So it is a cast iron pot with the dimples in the top. It has a stainless chrome handle, and it says Instant Brand, and it's a bright cherry red. Love the red. Red is my favorite color. So we'll set this to the side as we unbox it. Get this out of the way. Alright, so now we're going to pull out the next piece. This is packaged very well, and I'm guessing it's because this thing is extremely heavy. Okay, so next is going to be our cast iron bottom. Ugh, extremely heavy. If you have a Dutch oven, that's what you're going to find out, is they are extremely heavy. Alright, so I'm going to put this back down for just a second, because inside we have 2 silicone handles to go on each side of the Dutch oven cast iron pot. And they're silicone, they're gray color, and they say Instant Brand, of course. So there's 2 of those, one for each side. Put that to the side. And then we have a Instant Brand silicone mat to go under the Dutch oven when you pull it out of the cooking pot. So our cast iron pot. It does have a non-stick black coating on the inside. It's the same bright red as the lid. It says Instant Brands on the bottom, and it's extremely heavy because it is solid cast iron. So let's set this to the side and get the base out. Extremely heavy. So here is our base. Pull that out. There's nothing left in this box, so I'm going to go ahead and do away with this box while I'm unboxing. So the box is now empty. We'll move that out of our way. Okay, so let me put this all together and then we'll check it out some more. I've got our Dutch oven assembled now, so let's take a look at it. The base is all plastic. Check that all the way around, and then you have your screen here. It does have a fixed cord that is about, I guess it's about 2 feet long. It's not detachable. It is fixed like many of the instant products. Again, it's their enamel pot, which is very heavy. I've said that a dozen times. Now let's plug it up and check out our screen here. So it is a digital screen. We have sear, saute, slow cook, the time and temperature, braise, manual. We have a keep warm button, cancel and start, and also a spin dial. This is where you can hit on sear. You can set your time and your temperature for however you want it to cook. Do the same thing with braise, however long you want your food to braise. And then the manual mode where you can select time and temperature as well. And then you set your time, you set your temperature, and you simply hit start. And then it's going to give you the cooking process, which I really like that Instant Pot is now doing this with their items. So it has preheating, and then it's going to tell us when it's cooking, and when it's done cooking, it's going to switch to the keep warm mode, and it's going to tell us every step of the way. I really like that function that Instant Pot and Instant Brands has included in their cooking gadgets now. So there you have it. That is Instant Brands Precision Dutch Oven. Just a short recap, it came with the base, the enamel pot and lid, as well as the silicone handles for the side, a silicone trivet mat to protect your countertop when you remove the pot and place it on your counter. Also came with the getting started guide, came with an advertisement for joining Instant Pot's social media groups, and if you've not followed Instant Brands on their social medias, you really should be. Their instant groups are excellent, very informative, always have someone there to help. Also came with an advertisement for their new air purifying machines, the Be Safe guide, which is your safety, maintenance, and warranty guide for the Precision Dutch Oven, and the recipe guide. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you, this peach cobbler recipe in the back looks absolutely delicious and will probably be my first recipe that I'm going to try in this. So make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. There's links to this and our Facebook group, as well as products that we use, in the description. Make sure you're following us on Facebook. And as always, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.